Guess what time of the year it is? It's the Witches Walk 2023. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we promised you that we're gonna bring you down here for the Witches Walk. Let's go, check it out. Hey, I'm Pamela Pumpkin, and this is Alan. This year we're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna do a Witches Laugh Challenge, and we need your help deciding which witch is the best. We need you to comment below with the name and number of the best witch. We will announce the winners in 2 weeks at the Inlet, Marsh Walk, Oyster Roast. Thanks for your help. Now let's get started.
Witches to the east, witches to the west. And witches is the woman that I love best.
Oh my. I don't know, but you got to get her eyes and her laugh. You ready? Here she goes. Awesome.
All right.
What's your name?
Julie.
Julie.
And that's contestant number one.
Number one.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right.
All right. So there it was. Julie number one.
Appreciate it. You look the other way.
And now we have another witch's laugh. Number three. Oh, no. That's good. And what's your name?
Angie.
Angie.
Angie number three.
All right.
There you go. You
Oh.
ready? So we got to hear it. All right, go,
yeah.
girl. You got this. That's awesome. And she's number five. Oh, she's
I'm going to get you.
Now, what's your name? What's your name?
Loretta.
Since she's number five. So if you like that, make sure you comment below. Okay, so
All right.
she's number 7. There
So,
you go. Thank you.
that's
And
number
what's your name, number 7?
Dawn.
Dawn.
Dawn, and you're number 7, Dawn.
Number 7. Number 7.
I'm Jill.
All right, number
We're
Jill.
definitely here for fun.
Definitely here for fun. You ready, Jill?
Yes.
All right, do it. All right. That's Jill. Don't forget her. She's number 9.
All right,
Very
number
good.
9.
Thank you, Jill. Thank you so much. You want to try? Okay. All right. And now we have, what's your name?
Kelly.
Kelly. Okay. And we have Kelly, and she's going to try it. Okay. You ready? Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Kelly. You rock. That was good. Here goes Josie.
The beach.
Oh, good job, Josie. I like that. Thank you so much. Very good. Okay, so who do we have here today?
April.
April, and she's going to try the witch's giggle. She's number 8. Awesome, awesome. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
How are y'all?
Great.
Oh, you look beautiful. I love your little skirt.
You look fabulous.
Thank
All
you.
right, we're going to try our luck down here at Wahoo's.
All righty.
See what's going on.
Even though she's headless, she keeps on talking all night. All right, you got a duck.
All right,
No, not yet.
this
right
is the
here.
region where the goat is up in the tree.
The goat. And this is where it
they
was
will have to
built.
duck.
How low can you go? All right. There we go. All right, so me and the Headless Witch are gonna try our walkthrough at Wahoo's. Let's see if we can make it. Come on, Witch.
Gosh, she's about to jump overboard.
I think she's getting top heavy. Hey, beautiful witches. Hey. Hey, you got it? Okay. Yes. All right. Oh, hi.
She goes like that.
You don't have Mickey?
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Look how many people are out here tonight.
Hi. You gonna walk through it? Alrighty, so now I'm about to take y'all into the Dead Dog Saloon. Happy 21st birthday!
Right.
Do a witch's laugh from Australia. Oh yeah, that was good, wasn't it? Y'all gonna say hey for the camera?
Man, I'm glad.
Now whoever here can do a witch's laugh. Try it one more time. Oh, that was good. And what's your name?
Jacqueline.
Thank you, Jacqueline. Y'all have a good night. All right, well, there you have it. That was a look at Witches Walk 2023. Make sure that you comment below on which witches giggle that you love the most, or witches laugh, whatever B-Bots was saying. So we'll give them a prize. All they got to do is just contact us, or we'll try to get in touch with them. But comment below on which witch, number, or their name. And I also learned something new today, that if you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification, and hit the like button, it goes out to your friends, family, and everyone. Okay, folks, well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, keep beaching.
Or witching.
Or witching.
With the Headless Witch.
Woohoo!
Right here in Murrells Inlet.